guys, welcome to my YouTube channel where we give you update on the latest on the entertainment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on our subsequent videos. Thank you and God bless you.
Welcome to another interesting and exciting video on my channel. Today I will be sharing with you the life story of Africa Richest doctor who built one of the biggest and largest medical research facility in Africa. The most astonishing thing about it is that it was built in his village in Umuchukwu in Anambra state. We will also be revealing the story behind the achievement of Dr. Maduka Godwin, his biography, net worth, family, source of wealth, and many more. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon so you can be notified whenever we drop new videos. And remember, we only drop interesting, educating, and exciting content. You can also follow me on Instagram at Steven_Chizzy. Without any further delay, let's get right into the video. There is a famous Igbo saying which says that Akuruno Amaronye Patariano, which means when a wealth of a man reaches home, they will know who made it. That is the word that should be used to describe Dr. Godwin Maduka. Dr. Godwin Maduka hails from Umuchukwu in Anambra State, Nigeria. He was born on the 20th June 1959 in his hometown in Umuchukwu. He started his early education at Northwest Comprehensive before proceeding to All Saints Grammar School in Umunze, Anambra State. After his O-level, he got admission to study medicine in the University of Port Harcourt. He couldn't further his education due to lack of funds. After a while, he won a scholarship to study in Rocks College in USA. Luckily for him, his brother and uncle relocated to the States. They helped in funding his education upon his graduation from Ross College in 1984. Due to his intellectual brilliance, he got another scholarship to study pharmacy at Mesa University. After graduating in 1988, he worked as a pharmacy technician for a while before proceeding to University of Tennessee to study full medicine. After his graduation, he decided to further to Harvard Medical School for his postgraduate studies and training in anesthesiology, critical care, and pain management. After his graduation, he moved to Las Vegas and he got a job where he was paid $8,000 at Desert Spring United Methodist Church and other hospitals where he worked short time before starting his own practice in 1999. He founded his Las Vegas Pain Institute and Medical Center before expanding to 6 other locations in Southern Nevada. Here are his hospitals.
First opened in 1999. It fully operates in 6 locations consisting of state-of-the-art medical centers all located in the greater Las Vegas area, recognized as the largest comprehensive pain management group in Nevada and rated top 1 in the country. The first flagship center is located in the heart of Las Vegas, 3835 South Jones Boulevard 89103. Established in 2001 on an acre land as the 13,490 square feet single-story full-fledged medical center which is recognized as the main headquarters. The second location is a custom design and award-winning building built in 2009. Located in desirable Henderson, at 2705 West Horizon Ridge Parkway, 89,052 is the magnificent 3-story building with 42,000 square feet and underground garage parking. Third location is in Centennial, 7175 North Durango Drive 89149, acquired in 2012. This center boasts a 2-story, 2-wing building about 19,000 square feet in the fast-growing neighborhood of North Las Vegas. The fourth location was built in 2013 and is near the notable Air Force Base in Nellis at 1900 North Nellis Boulevard 89115. This is a unique fully custom designed 2-story building with 42,174 square feet, making it one of our top producing center. The fifth location is in the heart of the world-famous Las Vegas Strip, 1050 East Sahara Avenue 89104. It is a 4-story building with private garage parking acquired in 2014 with about 63,808 square feet. This center offers additional space for other medical specialties and rehabilitation. The 6th location is in the fast-growing south side of Las Vegas, 8828 Mohawk Road 89139. New and fully custom-designed 2-story building was built in 2016 with over 40,000 square feet. This medical center also boasts private room for research and seminars. Within each of the 6 centers is the one-of-a-kind setup, which includes pain clinic, surgery centers, urgent care, physical therapy, aquatic therapy, wellness center, laboratory, and convenient in-house radiology, which includes open-sided MRI, CT, X-ray and ultrasound. Each center consists of state-of-the-art equipment and technology. The clinic works in network with a variety of insurances, as well as accepts walk-in visits. The Las Vegas Pain Institute and Medical Center is dedicated to pushing the limits of excellence, standing at the forefront to provide the finest and healthiest medical environment for all patients and medical staff.
In all his 6 hospitals in the United States, he decided to build the biggest of them all, a 17-story building in his hometown in Umuchukwu in Anambra State. This is one of the most surprising things I've ever seen. Can you imagine how much he will be making with an infrastructure like this in the US or in Lagos or Abuja? But he decided to build this in his village to help in the development of his community. This is one of the most selfless gestures I've ever seen. When he was asked why he built such an infrastructure in his hometown, here is what he had to say, and I quote, "The 17-story Medical Research Institute in my hometown in Umuchukwu, Anambra State is beyond physical structure. It is a functional replication. It is a symbol of hope, the power of possibility. Just like the Statue of Liberty in America symbolizes freedom, it is an indication that if we put our minds and commit our resources in building our motherland, there will be no limit to what we can achieve. All things are possible." Apart from his hospital, Dr. Godwin Maduka is one of the most philanthropic and selfless men. His love and goodwill gestures for his community is second to none. He has invested more than 50 billion naira to the development of his community, Umuchukwu. He builds houses for the poor, churches, markets, schools, police stations, hospitals, town halls, civic centers, gives scholarships, builds roads, and many more. Dr. Godwin Maduka is happily married to Mrs. Stella Obiageri Maduka, and the union is blessed with 5 beautiful kids. He is also the frontrunner for the next governorship election in Anambra State under PDP. Dr. Godwin Maduka has an estimated net worth of over $400 million. The goodwill and philanthropic gestures of Dr. Godwin Maduka is second to none. I just hope that Nigeria and our Igbo billionaires can learn from him to help in the development of our motherland. That's what you think about Dr. Godwin Maduka, and do our other Igbo billionaires need to emulate him and start investing in our hometowns to help in the development of our community? Drop your comment below and tell us what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you.